Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite a person to your trip in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the trips button at the bottom of the page. And now just click on the trip that you created. And at the name section, just click on the invite to your trip button. And to invite someone, you need to provide their email address, and you can also leave a message. And then just click on the invite button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.